Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Upwork affiliate program for client connections, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type Upwork affiliate program into your search bar. Click on the official Upwork affiliate program link that appears in your search results. Once you're on the Upwork affiliate program page, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you need to create an account. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Choose a strong password for your account. After entering your details, click on Create Account or Continue. You will receive a confirmation email from Upwork. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Upwork. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in to the Upwork affiliate portal. Navigate to the affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available to affiliates. Next, you need to complete your profile. Fill out additional details such as your payment information and tax details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid issues later. After completing your profile, you can access your unique affiliate links. Look for the section labeled Affiliate Links or Promotional Materials. Copy your unique affiliate link for sharing with potential clients. Explore promotional resources, such as banners and ads, that you can also utilize. Utilize these materials effectively on your website, blog, or social media. Start sharing your affiliate link to attract new clients to Upwork. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard. Stay updated on your earnings and referral statistics regularly. Continue to leverage your network to maximize your success in the Upwork affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.